The Zooz Titan Water Valve Actuator is the best retrofit smart flood prevention solution. You can install it in just a couple of minutes without using a single tool. But first, let's make sure your current water valve setup is compatible with the Titan. In this video, we'll show you what to check for before you purchase the device. First, make sure that you have a standard ball valve up to 1¼ inch in size. Next, check that the handle clearance is at least 1¼ inch. The space from the edge of the pipe to the wall needs to be at least 1 inch. Finally, you need at least 3 inches of clearance on either side of the ball valve, measuring from the middle of the handle. We hope that helps you decide whether the Titan is a good fit for your water valve.